In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and publish a Confluence page. Start by opening Confluence and heading to the space where your page lives. Spaces are like folders for related content, so picking the right one keeps everything organized and easy for your team to find. If you're unsure which space holds the page, use the search bar or the recent pages list to get there quickly. Once you're in the correct space, open the specific page you want to work on. Give it a quick scan so you know what's already there and what needs to change. This helps you keep the page consistent with the tone and structure of the space. Next, click Edit. You'll find this at the top of the page, and it opens the editor where you can make changes. The editor is designed to be intuitive, so you can focus on content without worrying about formatting getting in the way. Now it's time to add or update content. Refresh text to make it clear and concise. Use headings to create a logical structure. Start with a main heading, then use subheadings to break information into readable sections. If you need to display structured data, insert a table and label columns clearly. Add images to provide visual context. Scale and align them so they fit naturally with the text. For links, select text and insert internal links to other Confluence pages or external URLs to guide readers to more detail. If your page benefits from dynamic or formatted blocks, add macros such as panels for callouts, status indicators for progress, or a table of contents to help readers navigate longer pages. Keep formatting consistent so the page looks professional and is easy to scan. If you want feedback, use comments and mentions. Highlight a section and leave an inline comment to ask a specific question. Type the @ symbol followed by a teammate's name to notify them directly. Keep your notes short and clear so collaborators know exactly what you need. Before saving, review your page carefully. Read it from top to bottom, checking for clarity, grammar, and completeness. Test a few links to make sure they work, confirm tables and images are aligned, and ensure headings follow a logical order. A quick pass now saves time later. When you're happy with the changes, click Publish or Update to save your work. Your page will refresh with the latest content ready for your team to use. And that's it. Simple, clear, and collaborative.